Verizon Fios Internet fixes quick guide to connection issues. Experiencing disruptions with Verizon Fios Internet can be frustrating. Often, issues arise from router malfunctions or weak signal strength. Restarting the router or checking cable connections can resolve many problems. Experiencing internet connection issues can be frustrating, especially when you rely on Verizon Fios for your daily tasks. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or trying to finish up a work project, a stable internet connection is crucial. Let's dive into some common connection issues you might face with Verizon Fios and how to troubleshoot them effectively. Slow internet speeds. Have you ever noticed your internet speed slowing down at the most inconvenient times? Slow internet can be a real drag on productivity and entertainment. Start by checking the number of devices connected to your network. Too many active connections can bog down your speeds. Run a speed test to see if you're getting the speeds you're paying for. If not, consider rebooting your router. Sometimes, simply turning your router off for a minute and then back on can resolve the issue. Are you using a wired or wireless connection? Wired connections typically offer more consistent speeds. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or reducing interference from other electronic devices. Intermittent connectivity. Intermittent connectivity can feel like a game of hide and seek, where your internet works one moment and disappears the next. First, check for any service outages in your area. It might not be your equipment at all. Inspect your cables and connections. A loose cable can cause your connection to drop unexpectedly. Ensure all connections are secure and intact. Consider the placement of your router. Is it in a central location? Obstructions like walls and furniture can interfere with the signal. Also, examine your router's firmware. An outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Updating it might stabilize your connection. Have you tried these solutions, but still face issues? It might be time to contact Verizon's customer support for further assistance. They can offer guidance tailored to your specific problem. Are these common issues something you've dealt with? What other troubleshooting tips have worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below.